Hi, my name is Andrew Outhwaite. I'm the founder and managing director of ForBlue. So we formed a social enterprise to figure out how to both enrich ocean health, but enrich human wealth practically. We help commercialize ocean innovations. So we help commercialize technology for profit. The second thing is we run conferences and forums that bring together the whole of blue economy to either agree on priorities or progress the growth of a new industry sector. The last thing we do is grow sustainable blue economies by identifying the needs of a particular region or industry and matching that with the emerging innovations. We donate 50% of profits to ocean health charities, and we commit 1% of revenue to ocean health charities. So as a commercial enterprise, you'd think, well, that's a lot of money that you're sending out to charitable organisations. We think that that investment plus the investment we make in measuring our social and environmental impact is simply how business should be done. We need to be reinvesting and donating back to the health of that whole system. I'm really passionate about that being the new bottom line and the new base operating model for all ventures in the future. It puts pressure on your business model, but I think it is going to result in much better outcomes at the sort of society level and much happier employees when you know that for every hour you're working and every job you're doing, you're making a really serious, measurable contribution to the health of the environment. So there's a number of things that I'm most proud of that we've been able to collaborate with others to achieve. A really exciting one is that we've just ticked over 100 ventures in our portfolio. So they're ventures that we've assisted with a diagnosis, different commercial products to help turn their innovation from just an invention into something that's out in the market and being used. So to have 100 of those amazing companies that we've helped is super exciting. One of the huge challenges we've seen is that number of ways of funding that are relatively limited. It's dominated by investors and funding that has high expectations of return and no real social or environmental metrics. The reality is that most of our ventures are using a very diverse set of grants, crowdfunding, concessional debt, loans. It's not all VC funding. There is a bit of an overemphasis on high return on capital, high risk investments in a very small number of ventures. It brings us together with a community of interest that not only gives us practical support, but also moral support and peers to learn from. But the third thing it does is make that sort of more normal in policy and government and in the wider market. It means that every time that we're interacting with a customer or someone else, we're not always having to explain the social enterprise model because WASEC are out there communicating the merits of that on our behalf.